children. In the last class we have learned about clear screen command. Today we are going to learn about clear text. Clear text. Clear text command. CT means clear text. Clear text command is used to clear all the text in the command box inside the command window. Now we are going to learn how to use commands or clear text command. Now children, what do you mean by syntax? In the last previous classes we have learned about syntax. The conditions to be followed while writing a program. Syntax means the conditions to be followed while writing a program. Clear text or CT. Now I'll show you how to clear the CT, clear text. Now when we are we are going to type the text in the input box. Press the mouse pointer in the input box, press left button and type. Now I am drawing a square. FD space 90, enter. RT space 90, enter. FD space 90, enter. RT space 90, enter. FD space 90, enter. RT space 90, enter. FD space 90, enter. Now children, you can see a square over here. We have drawn the square. Now whatever the commands we are giving in the input box, that can be seen in the commander window. You can see the commander window, children. What are the commands we are typing here? All the commands can be seen in the commander window. Now if you want to erase the commands in the commander window, we must give the command as CT. CT. CL. You can give the full form, otherwise you can give the short form as CT. CLEAR, clear. SCREEN, screen. Now I have done a mistake, children. That's why it's showing I don't know how to clear screen. Now we should not give any space in between. When we are giving the command, we should not give any space. Now we don't want to give clear the screen. I want to clear the text. I have done a mistake. See, now I am given as CLEAR, clear. TEXT, clear text. Enter. Now you can see, children, here in the commander window, text has been disappeared. By giving the command CT, you can clear the commander window. Now we are going to learn about pen up. What do you mean by pen up? Pen up command. PU means pen up command. The logo turtle by default draw a line whenever it goes. But sometimes we may want turtle to move a particular position without any drawing line. Then we use pen up command or PU command. Okay, now how to type pen up command? The syntax to type the pen up command is PU. You can use PU or pen up. Full form of pen up. These primitives allow the turtle to move on the screen without drawing a line. What do you mean by primitives? Primitives are nothing but the commands. When you give this pen up command, you cannot see any line. Pen up command will give you an invisible line. Now I will show you how to use pen up command. Now children, in the last previous classes we have learned how to clear the screen. To clear the screen, we must give the command as CS, enter. Okay. Now I will draw a line, children. See. Now first I will show you how to draw a line, and without a line also I will show you. Turtle will draw a line without a line. See. FD space 80, enter. Now you can see a line, children, here. Now I will turn the turtle. RT space 90, enter. Now I want to draw an invisible line. To draw invisible line, I mean to use the command pen up. You can type full form or you can give PU. Now I will type PU space. So PU, enter. First you must give PU, enter. Then how many steps you want to move the turtle forward? FD space 50. Enter. Now you can see a line, children, over here. You cannot see any line because we have given the command as pen up. Pen up command will draw an invisible line. Now I will rotate the turtle. RT space 90. Enter. Now we will learn about pen down command. Now we have learnt about pen up. Now we will learn about pen down command. Pen down command. The short form of pen down is PD. This command allows the turtle to draw a line again. It does not erase them after the command PD is given. The turtle draws a line wherever it goes. PD command is generally given after the usage of pen up command. Now what do you mean by syntax? You know how to give you know the meaning of syntax. Syntax is nothing but the conditions to be followed while writing a program. Now we can give the command as PD. Okay. Now I will show you how to draw a line by using pen down command. Now here we have used pen up command to draw a invisible line. Now after using pen up, compulsory you must use pen down. Pen down means turtle will come to the pen down position. Pen down, enter. You can give full form as PEN, pen, DOW, and pen down, enter. Then FD space. How many steps you want to move? 50. Enter. Now if you want to move still forward, FD space 30. Enter. Now you can see, children, a line has been drawn by using pen down command. Pen up command is used to draw an invisible line, and pen down command is used to draw a line. The remaining part will continue in the next class.